Why God makes sense in a world that doesn't. Today, I want to talk to you about a question that has puzzled humanity for generations. Why does the idea of God make sense in a world that often seems so confusing and chaotic? Now, I'm not going to delve into religious beliefs or dogmas, but I'll explore a broader perspective that can resonate with people of all backgrounds, ages, and beliefs. In a world where we sometimes feel lost in the vastness of the universe or overwhelmed by the complexities of life, the concept of God in its various interpretations offers us a profound sense of purpose, comfort, and inspiration. Here's why it makes sense, regardless of our beliefs. Imagine a jigsaw puzzle without a picture on the box, just scattered pieces. Life often feels like that puzzle, with pieces scattered all around us. The idea of God provides a picture on that box, a purpose or meaning that guides us in putting the pieces together. It helps us make sense of our existence and find direction in our journey. Life can be challenging. We face setbacks, hardships, and uncertainties. In these moments, believing in something greater than ourselves can be a source of hope. It inspires us to keep going, to be resilient, and to believe that there's a purpose behind our struggles. The concept of God often encourages us to look beyond our differences and see the common humanity in all of us. It reminds us to be compassionate, understanding, and loving toward one another, fostering unity in a world that sometimes seems divided. Just as a map helps us navigate unknown terrain, the idea of God can serve as a moral compass. It offers guidance and wisdom, helping us make ethical choices and navigate the complexities of right and wrong. Belief in a higher power often brings people together in communities. These communities provide a sense of belonging, support, and companionship, especially during difficult times. They reinforce the idea that we're not alone in our journey through life. When we contemplate the vastness of the universe and the intricate balance of nature, it can humble us. The idea of God invites us to appreciate the beauty and wonder of the world around us and to be grateful for the gift of life. Sometimes life throws us into storms, and we need inner strength to weather them. Believing in something greater can give us that strength, reminding us that we have the power to overcome challenges and emerge stronger on the other side. In a world that often appears devoid of meaning or where answers seem elusive, the concept of God provides a source of solace, inspiration, and connection. It gives us the courage to face adversity, the wisdom to make ethical choices, and the compassion to embrace our fellow human beings. Most importantly, it reminds us that there's more to this world than meets the eye, and that in itself is a beautiful and awe-inspiring thought. So let us embrace the idea that why God makes sense in a world that doesn't is not a question limited to religious belief, but a reflection of our innate human need for purpose, hope, connection, and guidance. Regardless of our individual beliefs, we can find common ground in the search for meaning and the desire to make sense of this extraordinary journey called life. Thank you, and may you find inspiration and motivation in your own unique journey, whatever path it may take.